Hello dear students, here we are back again with our mathematics of class 7. In the previous classes we have done chapter number 2 exercise 2.1 and we have done 6 question of exercise 2.1. Today we are going to start with question number 7 and hopefully we will complete today exercise 2.1. Okay, so exercise 2.1 question number 7, look into your books. They are saying that Ritu ate 3/5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share? See, there is an apple. Okay, an apple means one apple. Okay, an apple means one apple. Okay, so Ritu eats 3/5 part of one apple. Okay, this is the apple and if we divide this apple into 5 parts, 1 2 3 4 and this is 5th part. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 parts are there now. So if Ritu eats 1 2 and 3, Ritu eats 3/5 part of an apple out of one apple, then how much part is left for her brother? This 1 and 2, 2/5 part is left for Somu, her brother, to eat. This becomes very easier when I draw a figure, because this is one apple. Okay, this is one apple and 3/5 part. If we divide this apple into 5 parts, is eaten by Ritu and the rest of the part is eaten by Somu. So from figure it is very clear that who between Ritu and Somu ate the bigger share. Obviously Ritu ate bigger share because 3/5 is greater than 2/5. So we can say that 3/5 is greater than 2/5. So Ritu ate larger share, and by how much? By how much? 3/5 minus 2/5 by 1/5. But this is very easy. You can do this portion also. You have to do this one. But how do you solve in your fair copy like this? You will draw one figure, show this portion, shaded portion, that eaten by Ritu and then Somu. Then after that you will write Ritu ate 3/5 part and Somu ate, total is 1 apple minus the portion eaten by Ritu, 3/5. So what you will get? 1 upon 1, and when you will get it into the LCM, take the LCM. 5 into 1 minus 3 is 2 upon 5 portion of the apple is eaten by Somu. Okay, so after that you will write Ritu eats larger share. Okay, Ritu has eaten larger share because 3/5 is greater than 2/5, and by how much? 3/5 minus 2/5 is equal to 1/5. Okay, by Ritu eats larger share by 1/5. Okay, so this was the question number 7. I hope it is clear to you all. Now next question is question number 8. Read the statement. Now next question is question number 8. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7/12 hour. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3/4 hour. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? There is one work of painting a picture. So Michael is a person who is going to paint a picture in 7/12 hour. The same picture is being painted by Vaibhav in 3/4 hour. So now they are asking that who between Michael and Vaibhav have finished the painting, coloring the painting first. Okay, so we will check that 7/12 is greater or 3/12 is greater. Okay, we will check. So whatever will be the greater, that means that person has taken longer time. Okay, so here both the fractions are unlike. So first of all we have to convert both the fractions into like. So 3/4, 7/12. We will convert 3/4 into denominator 12. Okay, because 4 and 4 is having 4 is a multiple of, 4 is a factor of 12. Okay, so 3 with what number we multiply 4 to get 12? 4 3s are 12. So we will multiply 3 with 3. Okay, So 3 3s are 9 and 4 3s are 12. Now can you differentiate 7 upon 12 and 9 upon 12? Yes, obviously 7 upon 12 is less than 9 upon 12, and 7 upon 12 R is taken by Michael and Vaibhav take 9 upon 12 hours to complete the work. Okay, so Vaibhav took longer time. Okay, so who worked longer? Vaibhav worked longer. And by what fraction? We will subtract 9 by 12 minus 7 by 12. We will get 2 by 12. By Vaibhav worked longer by 2 by 12 hours. Okay, this is the answer. Clear? Very easy. Now your 2.1 is complete. In the next video we will start with 2.2. And God bless you all.